Hey, how you doing? You looking cute tonight. Okay. Girl, you shining. I know you got a man, but please don't remind me, cause he not baldy. A cool motherfucker. Your boyfriend green, want a blue motherfucker. Or do you even drink? Or would you care to dance? Pistol in my pants, I ain't worried about your man.
Hey everybody, this is your girl India. I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Y'all get into this look. I absolutely love it. It is an inspired look by one of my favorite YouTubers. I will tag her name down below because my mind just went blank. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning, you guys. But anyway, I'm so happy I'm finished and I'm happy with the outcome. So I can see a few things that I could have done a little better, but overall, I'm happy with what I came up with. And if you guys want to see how I recreated this look, go ahead and continue watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, come on, sis. What you waiting on? I'm telling y'all, I will be back to back with these videos every week. So, better get used to it. Okay, sis. So, as you already can tell, I've already done one eye. Now I'm going in with the yellow out of the Take Me to Brazil palette. And this is just going to be my first transition color. I'm going to use a big fluffy brush. Sorry. A big fluffy brush to lay that color down. Just so it could disperse the color a lot more lighter.
Whatever, it don't matter, I just wanna make it work. Girl, you're looking gorgeous. I buy your ass some forges and ride you through the city looking like you can't afford this.
Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm taking that yellow color from the Morphe 35O palette and I'm placing that right below the yellow that I laid down before. I'm just adding some depth to my eye with a darker color.
One in a million, baby girl, I ain't lying. Left my number on the napkin. You can call me anytime, I ain't lying. Gone.
Okay, sis. So now we're gonna go in with a burgundy color, and it's just darkening the orange a little bit more, adding more depth to the eye. And as you can tell, I'm using a much smaller blending brush, and that's gonna make the colors show up a little more vibrant.
Girl, you're like a stallion. I wanna eat your dressing, buy you 1,000 islands. Now I got you smiling. Only if I had it. You wanna get married, get a baby carriage, then have a baby, or make the baby first. Whatever, it don't matter. I just wanna make it work. Girl, you're looking gorgeous.
Okay, finally, now it's time to cut the crease. I'm using the Kat Von D concealer. And a little trick, I just place it on the center of my eyelid and I look up, and that lets me know how far up to go with the cut crease.
Nigga had to tell you that you are one in a million, baby girl, I ain't lying. Left my number on the napkin. You can call me anytime, I ain't lying. Gone.
Yes, finally. Okay, sis, now it's time to lay down the main color, which is the yellow out of the Take Me to Brazil palette, and we're gonna pack that color on. You don't want to like swipe with your brush, you want to pat. So just keep patting that color on until you get the brightness and the vibrance that you want.
Got you smiling. Only if I had it. You wanna get married, get a baby carriage, then have a baby, or make the baby first. Whatever, it don't.
Ooh, okay, so right here we're gonna try something a little different. I saw that she used concealer to like draw on her wing liner, so hey, I guess that's what we're about to do.
His and hers,
Let's see how
fresh
this
pair of
turns out.
Jordans, your other nigga boring. Girl, I'm just talking, I rarely do this often, but I had to do it cause your body language calling. Now your nigga looking, he see us at the bar. Bold ass nigga had to tell you that you are one in a million, baby girl, I ain't lying. Left my number on the napkin. You can call me anytime, I ain't lying. Gone. Hey, how you doing? You looking cute tonight. Okay.
Okay, you guys, I was so scared doing this part because I've never done this technique before where you use the eyeshadow for your liner, and I didn't know what I was doing, but I tried it and it came out okay. So never say never.
Whatever, it don't matter, I just wanna make it work. Girl, you looking gorgeous. I buy your ass some forges and ride you through the city looking like you can't afford.
Okay, finally, y'all. We're moving on to the face. I'm putting down my concealer. I use the LA Girl concealer in the color Pure Beige underneath my eyes, a little down the bridge of my nose, and just a tad bit on my forehead because I already have my foundation on. So moving right along. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry it's so late and I'm like dragging right now, but thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also turn your notifications on. That way you'll be notified every time I come out with a video. Like as soon as it uploads, sis, you'll be the first to know, okay? So thank you again for watching me, and remember this face because I ain't going nowhere. This is just the beginning. Like,
and oh, you're gonna love me. You're gonna